Hey everybody, Mr. Cameron here to show you a fun activity called the Overhand, Underhand 1 minute challenge. Alright, and for this activity you are going to need a little bit of equipment. You're going to need one thing that you're going to be throwing underhand and overhand. I'm using a very soft yarn ball. If it were to hit something it wouldn't damage anything. It's really soft, something I can hold and throw in one hand. Okay? Then you're going to need an underhand target, so maybe like a bucket like I'm using like this, a laundry basket, something that the ball can land in, and this is going to be sitting on the floor. And then you're going to need a target for your overhand throw. What I used is I just taped a paper plate to a chair. Okay, so some of you have a piece of paper you can tape to maybe a chair or a paper plate or something that you can tape, and this is going to be your target for when you're throwing. Okay, so just something that if your ball hits it, it'll be okay. It's not going to break or get hurt or anything like that. All right, now how you set this game up is you put the two targets on opposite sides of the playing area from each other. So I have my paper plate in my chair on this side of my playing area, and then I have my bucket on this side of my playing area. Okay, now this game is going to test both your underhand throw and your overhand throw, which we have been working on the last few weeks in class. Okay, now how it works is you're going to set a timer for 1 minute. Okay, when that minute starts, you're going to be going back and forth performing an overhand and underhand throw. All right, so let's just say that I'm going to start on this side right here. All right, I'm holding my ball. When the timer starts, I'm going to perform an underhand throw, trying to make my ball land inside my target. If it does, I get a point and I keep going. If I miss my target, I do not get a point, but I keep going. I'm going to go for the entire minute without stopping. All right, so let's say I take my first throw and it goes in. I am now going to run across the course, get my ball out, and now I'm going to throw at this target. But this time it's going to be an overhand throw. All right, so I underhand throw into this target, but I overhand throw at this target. And same thing, if I hit my target, I get a point. But if I miss, no point, but I keep going. All right, so I got my ball out. Now I'm going to stand back here and I'm going to perform an overhand throw. Point, TL, step, throw. If I hit my target, it hit the very top of the plate. That's my second point. I'm going to run across, get my ball, bring it back here, and now I'm doing an underhand throw. So arm back, step with my opposite foot, throw, and follow through. All right, same thing. I run across, get my ball quickly as I can, overhand throw, trying to hit my target. So you're going back and forth as many times as you can, keeping track of your score. You can do this game by yourself and keep doing it over and over and over and see how many times you can hit the targets or how many points you can get. You can challenge against somebody, so you go first and then somebody else goes second. If it's too easy for you, you could always back the targets up a little bit to make it a little bit harder, okay? There's many different things that you can do with this game, but I really want you to be practicing your underhand throw to a target and your overhand throw to a target. All right? Have fun.